Oh yeah, baby, I've been waiting for this. Woo-hoo-hoo. They kind of destroyed the pallet, but at least everything looks like it's still intact. Little puncture there. This is my other bike. This should be a 250 Hawk, the DLX fuel injected. So bust her open and see what it's like. Oh yeah, baby, there she is. I ordered the blue one. She looks good. Whew, a little dirty up front. Nothing we can't clean up. Oh shit, son. Super excited. Alright, let's start getting into it and see what we got. Okay, didn't have a lot of gas. Let's see if it'll start. This seemed to run pretty easily. Sweet. Notice with the new model, that bright check engine light. Now you got your check engine light. That's a good improvement. Overall, it's not too bad. It was breaking up a little bit, so I'll have to change the oil on it. We'll get down to that. Idling a little high too. Alright, next day after putting it together, let's see what a cold start does. Fuel pumps on. Okay, so one thing I have noticed definitely, they don't got no more kill switch. They set the kickstand up better, so it's got a better tilt to it nowadays, I feel like. But overall, they definitely did improve everything on the newer model versus the 2019 model. I haven't put the cover on. I kind of don't want to. Maybe I will. Who knows? But I already did its first oil change. It's only got like 10, 11, maybe 15 miles on it. Let's see. Oh, it's got 19 exactly. I'll fix that check engine and it's so much better. Well, I've noticed a few differences from some of the versions I've seen on YouTube, so I'll keep you guys posted. If you want to see more of this thing, let me know. It's pretty freaking sweet. For the price you paid for it, for free shipping right to your front door, you just can't beat it. It's a good burner's bike too. But if you already know how to ride, but these are just fun just to mess around with around town, so. Anyways, we'll do a riding video of it either later this week or something. So, see you guys on the next one.